Good morning, Utah. Happy Thursday or happy Friday Eve. Time is currently 5:13. Quiet start to the morning. Here's what it currently looks like down in St. George. Looking at the silhouette of the red rock out there with our Southern Utah University camera network, you're not going to find any issues as you head off to work or school. And right now, it's pretty mild down around St. George. Here's this beautiful view from Snow Basin looking towards Mount Ogden, twinkling stars above. Calm conditions down below. Our temperatures this morning mainly ranging in the 40s, but we have a few spots like Salt Lake in the 50s, while St. George, one of the milder spots, currently checking in at 61, while we're currently sitting at 47 in Cedar City, 48 in Park City. And for the second morning in a row, Logan has dropped into the upper 30s, so you might want the jacket as you head out the door in Cache Valley. It's going to be a great day, though, to take your dog for a walk. By 9 o'clock this morning, we should be in the low 50s in Salt Lake. This is Daisy May right here, and she looks ready to go for a walk. And with a face like that, you probably can't say no. By your lunch hour, temperature likely going to be in the mid-60s along the Wasatch Front. And then as we go through the afternoon, temperatures are likely going to top out in the low and mid-70s, which is roughly 10 degrees above where we should be for this time of year. But when you're 10 degrees above average for this time of year, it's some beautiful weather. And those daytime highs in northern Utah, once again, are mainly going to be in the 60s and 70s, while down in southern Utah, daytime highs will mainly be in the 70s and 80s, if not just a little bit warmer compared to what we saw yesterday. So we'll get to 76 degrees in Salt Lake, while we'll likely sneak into the upper 70s in a few spots in Utah County, as we get to 78 in Spanish Fork, 75 degrees in Ogden, and Park City this afternoon could actually hit a daytime high of 70 degrees, which is lovely for the Wasatch back, while we'll see a daytime high of 76 in Roosevelt and 71 degrees over in Tooele. In central Utah, a daytime high of 71 in Nephi, 74 in Vernal, 73 in Fillmore, and then a daytime high of 77 in Emory. Then down in southern Utah today, daytime highs ranging anywhere from 72 in Bryce Canyon to 81 in Hanksville, as St. George likely leads the way today, coming in with a daytime high of 88. The reason why we have this sunshine and warmth is because a dome of high pressure is currently sitting over the western United States, and that's allowing for our calm conditions and our warm temperatures, and this high pressure is slowly working its way from west to east, and with a little bit more of a southerly flow, I actually think tomorrow could just be a fraction warmer compared to what we're going to see out there for today. Let's put it all into motion, begin the long-range futurecast, and you'll actually be able to see that high pressure slowly moving from west to east, allowing more of that southerly flow of wind. And as we go into this weekend, as that high pressure moves out of the way, we introduce a little bit more in the way of some cloud coverage as our next system works its way towards us. Now, the forecast models are a little undecided on exactly where this low pressure is going to go early next week. Yesterday, it looked like it was going to go right through Utah, but some of the most recent trends actually move it just down to our south, which would allow cooler air to move in, but the bulk of the moisture would stay down to our south. Now, I still think that there's a pretty decent chance that this low pressure still moves through the Beehive State, and ultimately early next week will bring a little bit more of an unsettled pattern and also likely some cooler temperatures as well. And when you look at the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, it kind of lays that out, where Utah will likely be in a wetter pattern and also likely a little bit of a cooler pattern. Now, this runs through October 25th through the 29th, so if you enjoy the warmth, make sure that you get out there and enjoy it, because once we get into next week, we'll likely see our temperatures at least get closer to where they should be for this time of year. And St. George will be in the upper 80s for the next couple of days. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually hit 90 degrees tomorrow. So that's a little bit toasty across the southwest desert this time of year. Then over the weekend, mostly sunny skies, daytime highs dialing back slightly to the middle 80s. And then as we go into next week, daytime highs back in the 70s. With overnight lows dropping into the low 50s with a slight chance both Monday and Tuesday. Then along the Wasatch Front, mostly sunny skies for today. For tomorrow, daytime highs mainly in the mid, potentially even upper 70s. Then daytime highs kind of settling in the mid 70s over the weekend as we add a little bit more cloud coverage. And then you start to see the bigger changes going into early next week as we bring in the chance of seeing some wet weather, with daytime highs dropping to near or even just a little bit below where they should be for this time of year. Now let's go ahead and switch gears, check the traffic out.